Hi, Boris Pella here from Montreal, Canada. Today we'll talk about the hottest trend today, which is mobile apps. Mobile apps industry is exploding right now and it's already at 4 billion downloaded apps a month and increasing rapidly. Apps are viral and all over the world. MyFunLife has already positioned itself as a leader of this growing industry. First MyFunLife app is about travel. Travel, by the way, today is $6.3 trillion a year industry. Why travel is first MyFunLife app? Because this is very simple product to market and everyone understands that and wants to travel, by the way. But like you know, not many people can afford it, right? Because it's expensive for many people. Thanks to MyFunLife, now it's become affordable for everyone to travel the world and having fun in the same time. Remember when the first computers came up in the end of 70s? Back then it was transferred from analog to digital, like you know, and many people were very skeptical about it. Even though there have been some who knew that one day in the future computers are going to be everywhere. And one of the best examples to give you is Bill Gates. You know who is Bill Gates, right? He had this vision even though many people around were laughing at it. Now, during the next huge transfer that's happening from digital to mobile, you can and should, by the way, take actions. Who knows, maybe this is your last chance to make all your dreams come true. This second transfer is much bigger and much more powerful and profitable than it was back in 70s. Why? Just look around yourself. Everyone has cell phones. Some even have 2 or 3. Small kids 5 years old have cell phones today as well. What does it mean? It is the next boom after .com. MyFunLife CEO Dan Edwards has always had the vision to create the next legacy generational company where he could help many people around the world to succeed financially. Let me share with you our second MyFunLife app. And it is going to be about health, which is huge industry as well, like you know. Our next MyFunLife app will allow us to tap in the most profitable industries out there, such as real estate, finance, telecommunications, and others. MyFunLife has already a list of 10 apps we are going to launch in the next 5 years period. Imagine having an opportunity to see your income be doubled, tripled, quadrupled, and so on overnight without doing extra work from your part. It has been never heard before in the marketing industry. So what are you waiting for? Join now and make all your dreams come true in this legacy company. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.